Hello everyone, my name is Hania Solis, and for this course, English Conversation, Task 1, we are going to show this video about reflecting upon English language awareness. My tutor, Henry Carvajal, for the step 1, course recognition. What is the purpose of the course? The course learning purpose is to reinforce students' foreign language linguistics, social linguistics, and practical competencies by accomplishing oral production tasks in given set of real-time interaction. How many learning outcomes can you find in the syllabus? We can find 4 learning outcomes in the syllabus. What are the synchronic interaction activities? The synchronic activities that we found are through web conference, virtual campus email, collaborative forums, Skype sessions, online conference session, or web conference. How many activities does the course have? In the course, there are 6 activities to develop during the term, organized into 3 moments: initial, intermediate, and final moment. Which activities in the course imply real-time interactions? In this course, activities that are designed to promote interaction among students are Task 2, partaking in 7 weekly mandatory encounters; Task 3, debating controversial issues; Task 4, speaking part of Cambridge C1 Advanced; Task 6, delivering a speech through a web conference system. Summarize with your own words the course rules and conditions for individual behavioral standards. We can see comply with security policies in the integrated technology platforms, plagiarism policies of the UNAT, general student regulation, and etiquette in the virtual platform UNAT. Be aware of the technical requirements my PC should meet to develop my academic process at UNAT, except in the case that my course has closed objective test type evaluation, the use, if necessary, of the facial recognition tools provided by the institution. Be honest, tolerance, and solidarity in the interaction with peers and teachers. Be aware that this is a typical course that implies real-time or synchronous interaction activities with teacher. Check the internal course mails and institutional email constantly to be updated about the dynamics of subscription, and participation in the different synchronous activities. I found start my participation in the weekly mandatory encounters according to the instruction given by the course director. I must participate on time in the synchronous activities to which I subscribe. Is your institutional email working properly? Yes. Currently my institutional email is working properly. And step 2, about reflection upon English language awareness. Answer this question. Question 1. Have you got an English language level certification? If not, what do you consider your level is at present? I have not taken an English language level certification yet, but at the English UNAT course, I have got a level simulator whose results have shown preliminary B1 level. Answer 2. How did you get the level you have now? When I was just a little girl, my mom taught me the first words with simple vocabulary like orders to complete, like sit down here, open the window, close the window, etc. And then I start to love English and learn by myself through the reading and listening to music, movies, and get vocabulary to write and speak with other people. Answer 3. Question 3. Answer 3. Why are you studying English as foreign language? I enjoy studying English in more depth when I discovered that it was easier for me to learn, and because there were also opportunities to learn another language, to be able to communicate with other people from many parts of the world and thus enrich my intellect. Question 4. How is studying language as an adult different from studying it as a child? I think so that the role of age in language acquisition is a much discussed aspect of language learning theory. Some adults have been able to do everything a child does: pronounce the word with the accent, learn the language in context. In addition, a cognitive advantage has been discovered for adults. Knowing a language is a lexicographic system can be sometimes creating impediments because of its influence in knowledge of a language, and its lexicographic system can sometimes create hindrances because of its influence of the learner's expectation of how another language works. But good knowledge of the mother tongue system can also provide the learner with the basic knowledge of the mother tongue. Question 5. How long should you study a foreign language? It depends on what level of proficiency I want to reach and how quickly I learn. Much depends too on whether if I will have access to foreign country and or native speakers. Both kind of access usually increase the level and the rate of learning, reducing the overall amount of time needed for study. Question 6. How can I make language learning a part of your life in the future? I think so that having made such a decision, it is not important to understand what language learning is not a one-course activity, nor it is a short-term activity. If I want to become truly proficient in a foreign language, you, you or me I will need to invest many years and much effort in the endeavor. The times will be spent in many venues. The classroom is on the start. Question 5. How can I organize lifelong language learning? The most important tool to use in lifelong language learning is an individualized study plan, or ISP. It can take many forms, like a date book, a checklist, or in some form of diary that you keep. Whatever works in an adequate format for the plans. Thank you so much. This is my reflection for this activity. Thank you so much.